Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to understand how to form a question. When we speak to someone, we need to ask questions and we also need to answer them. Okay. Questions are of two types. Okay. Sometimes when we are asked a question, we need to answer in yes or no. Let's understand first what is the structure of a question which can be answered in yes or no. Okay. In English, there is a structure: subject, verb, and object. Subject, verb, and object. This is the order of these three words in English. So to make the structure for a question which can be answered in yes or no, all we have to do is to put the helping verb in front of the subject. Okay, whichever tense we choose to make a question in, we should put the helping verb of that tense before the subject. Then the structure: helping verb, subject, main verb plus object becomes the structure for the question which we can answer in yes or no. Okay, do you love your country? You love your country. Subject: you love. Verb: your country. Object: and we put do in front of you. Do you love your country? So this is the example of a question which can be answered in yes or no. Yes. Okay, yes is enough. And we can also add some more words like yes, I do, or yes, I love my country. Okay. So this is the structure of a question which can be answered in yes or no. Sometimes we cannot say in fact yes or no to answer a question. For example, why do you love your country? We cannot answer this question in yes or no. Okay, we have to say something else. I love my country because this is the place where I live. Okay, this country has given me everything. Thus the structure of a question which needs a detailed answer, okay, not yes or no, is question word, helping verb, and then subject, verb, object. Okay, and what we have to do is to put helping verb in front of subject and a question word in front of the helping verb. Means the structure becomes question word, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Okay, these are the two structures which are used to form a question, and we can use these two structure in any tense. Okay, but there is a note. You have to note something. Okay, when the helping verb you are using in these structures is of two or more words, then the subject would come just after the first word of the helping verb. For example, have you been learning grammar for many years? Where have you been learning grammars for many years? Okay, and that is all for today. Okay. And if you think the video was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.